All right. The problem is that we have a failure to the actual CPU water cooling system. So we're going to replace it today. And let's go ahead and start there. So we're going to have to remove this one and also this one too, because it's completely failed. So we're going to replace it with something similar to it. So the old one, not that easy. There's one. This. That's right. We're gonna reuse it. We're gonna actually use another one similar to it, so we can just pull it out, reuse it. But we're gonna do a cleanup. Look how dry it is. All right, we're gonna put the TG-7 thermal paste on the system. So it's a Thermaltake, so we're gonna go ahead and set it up. This is what you get when you get something like this. So let's go ahead and open it up. Spatula we're talking about. We just patch this thing out of it. And we're going to put some cement thermal tape in here. We already cleaned it up as much as we can. We left a little tiny bit everywhere, but it's not that bad. It's not gonna nothing's gonna happen. I was thinking about putting it right here in this place. So we're bringing this one to use one, this larger one, maybe putting it here in this spot right here, and then having it there. And that's pretty much what we're gonna end up doing probably. So we're gonna end up doing that. These here. Sure it makes contact. Put it on the side, this one now. We don't have to worry about the top hitting or anything. Let's tighten it up now. So, let's crank it up. This needs to be coming on.